Inspection of the body. Collect loose hair, wads of fibers, etc. all the time while the body is being inspected. Decide whether to collect fibers on free body surfaces, hair, and clothes by taping. Make an autopsy sign of death if possible. Measure the body temperature and write down the relevant times. Here are injuries concealed by hair. Hair been turned off. Foreign substances. Check for bleeding in the ears. Check for conjunctival bleeding. Examine either root of the nose and nostrils. Check whether there are any foreign objects in the oral cavity. Examine the neck for skin crackings, red spots, and estrangulation marks. Examine the arms for bruises caused by gripping and resistance. Check for marks made by syringe, especially in the crook of the arm. Examine wrist for old or new cuts. Examine the hands and under the nails injuries due to resistance and swellings, hair, and skin fragments. Cover hands with paper bag to facilitate the continued search for skin, fragments, hairs, fibers, etc. during autopsy. Examine the front and back of the body from the top to bottom. Examine leg and feet. Any blood when easily soak the feet. Any marks or injuries indicating that the body was dragged.